How to use our Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner, aka the Hydrate Kit. First, we're going to cleanse with the Hydrate Shampoo. Apply a small amount of shampoo into your palm or onto a scalp scrubber. Lather, then massage into your wet hair and scalp. Use circular motions to stimulate hair growth and activate cleansing. Rinse thoroughly and repeat. Shampooing twice ensures hair and scalp are thoroughly cleansed, and the shampoo imparts all its nourishment. Kus Shampoo is infused with a natural plant-based lather and other organic ingredients to help cleanse your scalp and strengthen your strands. Next, follow up with the Kus Hydrate Conditioner to lock in hydration. Gently squeeze out excess water from hair. Apply a small amount of conditioner, spreading through the mid-lengths to ends. Add more conditioner as needed. Leave in for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use as often as needed for your hair type and washing schedule. Kus Conditioner is infused with aloe vera, jojoba oil, apricot, and marula seed oils to smooth, strengthen, define, and lock in hydration to your hair. Hydrate, cleanse, moisturize, and condition like never before with Kus Culture's Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner.